Alright, so welcome back to another video. I know I haven't recorded in a minute, but it was the holidays, so as you guys can see, I got some more stuff done. I relocated the radiator. I had to make some little adjustment, and with the bottom hose I was missing the other day when I put the radiator in. I got me a new fan. I found the herbal. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking out the front, because I'm about to install the air intake for the turbo. I have it right there, so I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. I had to make some cuts, so the radiator can fit in nice. That's a cut right here, and I cut on the inside, right there on the inside. That's my little cut, the radiator. I think the fan might be too small, but it's a 14-inch, so I think it's fine. I don't know. I got me a 14-inch fan. The fan right there is 14 inches, so I think it should be good. If I start overheating, so I guess I gotta change the fan. But I got me a big one, 14 inches. The turbo is gonna go right here. Okay, so I'm thinking about putting it right here. I'm gonna have to make some cuts or take the inner fenders out. Or if not, I'm thinking about putting it here, but I was doing some little research, and I think I don't know. I might want the turbo right here behind the light, because I'm gonna take this light out so the turbo can breathe through here. But I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out later. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm gonna take the front bumper out so I can fit in the intake. I'm gonna show you guys the air intake. I have it right here. That's the intake I got. I'll be installing this. Oh, I got the brackets in the car. I forgot to get the brackets for it. I have it in the car. Forgot to get it out. So I'm thinking about putting it right here in between the front, in between these two, right here in the middle, from the bottom, and then I'm gonna have to make a hole right here. Good. I'm gonna have to make a hole right there. Right here. And another one right here. I want to relocate the line for. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of stuff. Adjustment. So I'll be right back. Let me focus here, and I'm gonna show you guys once I get it off. Once I put everything that I want, I'm gonna show you guys. Basically, what I need after this is tune. I want the tune, and that's it. And I won't be putting. No, before I tune, I think I'm gonna put the rear end. Put the rear end before I tune. And I got the transmission I'm running with is a 4L60E. I'm gonna keep that one because honestly, I don't want the truck to race. I know I'm building it as a race truck, but it's not. I want it more for shows and for so I can be able to go to car shows and enjoy. But if I want to step on the gas, I want to move nice. But I don't want to race. I don't want to do none of that racing shit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you back. I'm gonna show you guys later once I get everything installed. All right, so what I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking about putting the intake right there, and then from here I'm putting this one. From here, I gotta open the hole right there. All right, so it's gonna be on the inside, and then from the inside I'm putting this one from down there to here. That's what I'm doing right there. So basically you're gonna go, this is 3-inch. The piping that I'm using is 3-inch. So you're gonna go from down there to here. And then this elbow right here, put in it right there. Gotta open the hole on the light. Gotta take the bumper off. Gotta open the hole right there. I'm gonna connect this one here. Gonna go to the inside, this, and then from the inside, I'm connecting down right there. And on the other side, I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna open the hole right here. She's gonna go to the turbo. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got the rest of the piping, so I got the fittings, I got everything. The elbows, got the thing, got it all right here. So, well, that's an old fan that I took off. I got this one from Chrysler 300. When I first did my first LS swap. Nah, I didn't know what I was doing then. But now I think I know a little more. So that's why this one looks a lot better. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do all that piping stuff. I'm gonna open the hole right here, take the bumper off, do this side I lift, and then I gotta support. I gotta go get the bracket so I'm gonna make the bracket. I'm gonna make it because the bracket that I had, I came with this, is not gonna fit. So I gotta make a bracket for this. I'll be making that bracket. Hopefully it's big also. So stay with me. All right. I got one side already done. All I'm missing on this side is, look, I'm gonna show you guys first. Look, in the cooler, the piping. I'm in there. To the end. All right, so what I'm missing is I gotta get me a straight from 4 to 3. From 4 to 3. Gotta order me that so I can put it right here. And that's it. This side's already done. As you guys can see, this side's already done. Done completely. I'm about to do the other side now. And also I gotta do a bracket and the blue lines that you see right there, square you see on there, on the front bumper. I'm gonna make a cut. God damn. I'm gonna make a cut so I can have a little window for the intercooler. It's gonna be right here in the middle. Gotta cut that out. Cut that out. That's gonna be right here in the middle, so you can breathe a little bit. So I'm gonna do the other side now. This side already done. It's coming along. Slow stepping, but nice. All right, so everything is already, not everything, but the front part is already installed. I had to do a bracket. Just finished making the bracket so I can hold the intake, the air intake. I did a bracket. Yeah, everything's nice and neat. Both sides already done. Yeah. The front bumper already installed. I gotta get me the fitting for this. And once I put the turbo, I'm gonna connect it right here. So, yeah, I just finished cutting the bumper. Just finished connecting it. Hold on. Using one hand. The reason why I did this is because I want the air intake to catch some air. So anyway, I gotta paint the truck, so I'm doing all the things, everything I'm supposed to do, all the carding and stuff before I paint the truck. So once I finish, I'll be painting the truck right here. I'm painting it black, all black. Yeah. I'm gonna do it myself though. So the truck is looking nice. It's a backyard build. Don't forget about that. See? Turbo right there. The intake. The piping. Oh, that shit looking nice. It looking nice. I'm proud of myself, bro. Honestly. Yeah. This side already there. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Backyard built. Don't forget about that. Yeah. Who's building it? Me, myself, and I. Those three people. That's it. Yeah. You guys see it all. So, if you look at it, let's say, put it this way. Let's say you looking at the video right now for the first time. You're like, oh, yeah, I want to do the same thing, but it looks difficult. Let me tell you guys, it's not difficult at all. This, if I did it, you guys can do it. If I did it, because I'm not a mechanic. I just watch a lot of videos on YouTube and I do a lot of research, and I have an idea. I have a little bit of idea because when the COVID-19 already hit for the first time, I went to Killer Racing performance shop, and I worked there for 8 months. So in those 8 months, I was watching Killer build cars, and I was doing a lot of hands-on. So yeah. So the first time I did my LS swap on this same truck, it wasn't like this. And this is the second time I'm doing it. The first time, I had that engine right there. That's a 5.3. I had it on this one. I had to do a lot of custom stuff under the truck and, a lot of stuff. And it was difficult. I honestly, when I first did it, and my hands-on this was like 40%. So one of my homeboy, he came and he knew about it and he did it for me. He didn't do it all, but I was helping him. But I had no idea. But I wanted my truck to go a little faster, and I wanted to sound a little better. So I started doing some research, and here's where I'm at right now. I'm doing it with myself. The engine. Now I got a 6.0 in it with a cam. I have a stage 5 cam in it. Got lifters. What else I had done? 102 throttle body, high ramp, timing chain, oil pump. What else? Oh, 80 pound intake. I mean, not intake. Injectors. 80-pound injectors. I gotta have a cash can, fuel pressure regulator connected over there also. A bunch of stuff. I don't even remember. I got a bunch of stuff on it. A bunch of stuff done. So yeah, I'm gonna end it up right here because I'm gonna put the grill back, and that's it. I'm gonna catch you guys back in another video. So the next video is gonna be me installing the turbo. Why I haven't installed the turbo? Because we're on the holidays and everything is closed, so gotta wait for Monday. I'm gonna make some calls, see if I get it. I'm looking for a big turbo, a big one. I want a big one. I don't want no little turbo. I want a big one. If I'm gonna run a single turbo, I want to run a big turbo, a big one. So stay tuned for that. God bless you all, and thank you for watching my videos.